There might come a time when you want to export your Canvas as a PDF or image, or maybe you need to share it so that students can have notes. Down in File Management in the main toolbar, you'll notice the Export button here in the middle, which is a blue rectangle with an arrow coming out of it. From here we can export locally to our storage this presentation as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF. If you want to share these as notes, use the QR code in File Management. Give permission by saying yes. The Canvas will be uploaded to your cloud storage. A share URL will be created, and then a QR code will be displayed on the Canvas. Note that this process can also be completed in the Whiteboard companion app. All students need to do is scan the QR code with their mobile device or type in the short URL which is displayed here at the bottom. This will open the PDF on their device and allow them to save it anywhere they would like to, either in their cloud storage or locally on their device.